Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today video title guys, how can we unmute sound in our Samsung phone device. Friends, you want to unmute guys your phone all sound guys. Your all sound is not working in your Samsung phone device. So how can you unmute it? Today friends, I will show you. I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, we will on guys our phone setting. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting. So friends, you will have to search here guys Samsung phone guys mute sound setting. I will search here guys mute all sound guy. We will search here guys. Friends, you can see mute all sound shortcuts, and guys mute all sound guy, we will tap here. Friends, you can see mute all sound is on, so guys we will turn off from here. Then guys your phone mute, this phone all sound will unmute guys. You can check guys back here. Friends, you can see sound and vibration setting, and friends you can see volume setting guys, you can use from here guys. So like that guys, we can unmute guys Samsung phone all sound. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to unmute Samsung phone all sound. So bye guys.